This video will take you through the steps to install Janison Replay application onto your specific device. Janison Replay is used for writing and spelling subjects for both ICAS and Reach assessments. To access information on Janison Replay and installation links, head to the Lockdown Browser page from the ICAS Support menu. To begin the installation process, you will need to hover over the Event Support drop-down menu and click on Lockdown Browser. Once on this page, scroll down until you can see the devices that Janison Replay is able to be used on. Choose the installation file that suits your device. You will also find handy installation guides and helpful troubleshooting tips on this page about Janison Replay. To install Janison Replay onto your Apple device, find the App Store application and open it. Once on the App Store, hit the search button and type in Janison Replay. It will prompt you for your Apple ID in order to install the application. Tap Install. Once your Apple ID has been entered correctly, it will begin the download process. Once downloaded, you will find Janison Replay on your home screen. You are now ready to use Janison Replay to sit both ICAS and Reach assessments. For more information on lockdown browsers for different devices or information guides on installing Janison Replay, head to the ICAS website Lockdown Browser page where the download links are located.